Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now we'll take a look at some satellite imagery. And across the Caribbean this evening, we're continuing to monitor a weak tropical wave in the center of the basin that does have some isolated shower activity associated with it, but we're not seeing significant activity in our satellite imagery. Across the Western Caribbean, we still also have that high pressure system that's helping to generate the stable conditions across the general area. Now the forecast for tonight, we're expecting it to be generally fair. The temperatures are dropping to 27 degrees Celsius in Kingston tonight. We expect winds from the north on the south coast averaging about 5 knots, while on the north coast we expect winds from the southeast at 5 knots with minimum temperatures dropping to 26 degrees Celsius. Expect some showers in the morning tomorrow if you're in the northeast. We also have hazy conditions persisting throughout the area in the morning. In the afternoon, the haze continues. Partly cloudy skies. Some isolated showers are forecast for the west. Temperatures 36 degrees Celsius, that's the maximum we're expecting in Kingston. 35 degrees Celsius is the maximum likely in Montego Bay. The breakdown has partly cloudy skies for most of the southeast tomorrow, but we do have showers and possible thunderstorms for Santa Cruz. Shower and thunderstorm activity also affects Black River, Savannah, Lamar, Negril, and Lucy, also in Montego Bay and Falmouth. We do have morning showers forecast for St. Anne's Bay, Ocherius, as well as Port Maria and Port Antonio in the morning tomorrow. Elsewhere, it's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across inland areas of Moco, Christiana, and Grange Hill. A few showers are possible in Duncans and also in K Valley, with cloudy conditions in the afternoon in Richmond and in Moortown. Now on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we have isolated afternoon showers. We're expecting the shower activity to become scattered on Friday across central and western parishes. For the marine forecast, the winds are from the east on the north coast tomorrow at 15 to 20 knots, as wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're keeping our small craft warning. The winds are from the east-southeast at 20 to 25 knots, as wave heights could get up to 2.5 meters. And then the warning extends into offshore areas for easterlies at 20 to 25 knots, and wave heights between 2 getting up to 2.5 meters. We're expecting conditions to remain much as they are for the winds this week. We're expecting easterlies at 20 to 25 knots on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 6:44, 6:47 in Mandeville, and at 6:50 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.